We begin with practice set 4.4 question 1. Fill in the blanks of the following. Now here we have ratios which are equivalent to each other and there are some ratios which are incomplete. We have to complete those ratios. Now here you have that x by 7 is equal to y by 3. So x by 7 equal to y by 3. After that the ratios are incomplete. That is, they have asked to find what is the denominator when the numerator is 3x plus 5y and what is the denominator when the numerator is 7x minus 9y. Let us see how we proceed. So we take here x upon 7 equal to y by 3 which is given. Now numerator is 3x plus 5y, same thing is written. Now when we write the denominator, in place of x, we will write its corresponding denominator and in place of y, we will write y's corresponding denominator. So we have 3x plus 5y upon the denominator of x is 7. So here we write 7. So 3 into 7 plus 5 into 5y. The denominator of y is 3. So 5 into 3. Same way we do for this. We have 7x minus 9y. The denominator of x is 7. So 7 into 7 minus 9, 9y. So the denominator of y is 3. So we write that. So we have 3x plus 5y written as it is. 3 into 7 is 21 plus 5 into 3 is 15. Here 7x minus 9y is written as it is. 7 into 7 is 49 minus 9 into 3 is 27. So now we proceed here. We have 3x plus 5y. What is 21 plus 15? 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. What about this? We have 7x minus 9y written as it is. Here 49 minus 27. 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Therefore, this is the completed blanks of the first question. This is the first sub question. Now coming to the second sub question there, you have the a by 3 equal to b by 4 equal to c by 7 is equal to a minus 2b plus 3c upon the blank equal to blank upon, here they have given the blank, that blank is 6 minus 8 plus 14. Now since they have given 6 minus 8 plus 14, when they give the numerical part, we should identify a common multiple in those and write accordingly. Let us see how we go to that. First we will see this. These three ratios are written as it is. So equal to, now what we have to change is for this. Now this is a minus 2b plus 3c. Now for a we have to write a's denominator which is 3. So I write 3 here minus 2 into, in place of b I have to write b's denominator which is 4 plus 3, in place of c I have to write c's denominator which is 7. So now this is done. Now you look here, we have here 6 minus 8 plus 14. Now if I take 2 common in all this, 6 will be 2 into 3. If I take 2 common out, this will be 2 into 4. And if I take 2 common in 14. It will be 2 into 7. So in all these we see that 2 is a common multiple. So what will be the numerator? It should be corresponding to this itself. So what do I get it? That this must be A, this must be B, and this must be C. So then what will this be? 2 into A minus 2 into B plus 2 into C. So that is why the numerator is written as 2 into A minus 2 into B plus 2 into C. Let us simplify this further. 3 minus 2 into 4 is 8 plus 3 into 7 is 21 is equal to this one. Now I directly write it as 2 into A is 2A, 2 into B is 2B, 2 into C is 2C. Now here 2 into 3 we have as 6 minus 2 into 4 that is 8 plus 2 into 7 that is 14. So now in the last step we again write the ratios which were already known. A upon 3 equal to B upon 4 equal to C upon 7 is equal to A minus 2B plus 3C. Now this I have to simplify. Let me simplify and write. First we'll take the terms which are having plus sign, 3 and 21. 3 and 21 both are plus sign. 3 plus 21 is 24. From 24 if I minus 8 I get 16. So I write here 16. Okay, now we go to this here. We have 6 minus 8 plus 14. We have to write it as it is. So what is left? Only the numerator which we write as 2A minus 2B plus 2C. So now we have completed here in the second question the required blanks.